the war with the dragons is quite complicated, and the Vikings, sometimes they're winning and sometimes they're losing. And we can even say that Arendelle becomes a target of the dragons as well. Now, how will this be avoided? How would Hiccup and Elsa meet? How will this interaction truly happen? How will this meeting happen? Well, it's simple. That's being through this. Obviously, Stoic is seeking out allies that he could trust. People that he could trust. And, well, let's just say that Stoic hears about Arendelle and hears that, well, they don't have that many weapons or soldiers that they have. And let's be honest, when I was watching Frozen, I kind of noticed that as well. They don't have that many weapons or soldiers. And I think that Stoic would probably see that as a way to gain an ally by making a deal with Arendelle. Now, Stoic will probably give half of their weapons and, of course, half of their, let's just say that Stoic, makes a deal where he says, I will give you half of my people and the weapons that we have here. Under one condition. And what will that condition be? Simple. The condition being he wants the firstborn princess, or the firstborn princess, that being Elsa, to marry his son. That would probably be the most likely thing that Stoic will probably ask for in return for him giving half his weapons and people to Arendelle to protect them from the dragons. That being, his son marrying, Elsa, the future queen of Arendelle. And, let's just say that Arendelle does agree. Elsa's parents do agree. And, of course, this would resulted in one little thing. That being Hiccup and Elsa meeting each other quite a lot. They meet each other as kids, and at first they probably would start off as friends, because, it's kind of rare for Hiccup to encounter another person who is kind to him instead of just, kind of being rude to him or just ignoring his existence entirely. Like I said, they will probably start off as friends. Not as lovers, but as friends. Now, this would raise the question, what about the day when Elsa accidentally hits Anna in the head with her magic, trying to save her life? Would that resulted in Burke and Arendelle no longer having a deal, or will that still happen? Like, will the deal still be a thing? Most likely, due to the dragons, most likely I'm pretty sure the deal will still happen. They will probably still allow Hiccup to come into Arendelle to see Elsa. The reason why is because they're trying to make Hiccup and Elsa to know each other and trust each other. And of course, they would eventually grow a very strong bond, like a really strong bond. However, there is one problem. This will result in one little problem. This problem will most likely be a huge deal in the near future. That being Anna being left out. Because you gotta think, in the first Frozen movie, that was the main reason why Elsa and Anna were separated. Because Elsa accidentally hurt Anna. It resulted in Anna losing her memories about Elsa having powers and being confused on why they're being separated in the first place. This would most likely resulted in Anna feeling kind of left out. Most likely she'll probably be left out, or feel like she's being left out of this little interesting interaction between Elsa and Hiccup. She'll probably feel like that Elsa has a new favorite now, and feel like that she's no longer a part of Elsa's life now, because she's welcoming this stranger into her life, and she's growing really attached and having a very strong bond with him. And we can even say that Hiccup ends up trying to help Elsa out to control her powers. This will probably continue until probably maybe the year when Elsa and Anna's parents die. Most likely Elsa will want some time to mourn for the loss of her family, basically. Well, her parents. Now, what would happen in Coronation Day? Or what would happen within the series of Defenders of Berk? Most likely Hiccup would just not be interested in Astrid. We can kind of say Astrid is kind of interested in him, but he's not interested in her. And the only girl that he is interested in is Elsa. So probably just Hiccup is thinking about Elsa quite a lot. Now, what about Coronation Day? What would happen in Coronation Day? Well, I'm pretty sure the good half of Coronation Day will probably first start off as okay, kind of like how in the movie, where at first it started pretty good at first, until Anna had to ruin it by literally announcing that she wants to marry a guy that she literally just met. Which kind of makes me want to slap Anna in the face. Anyways, I'm pretty sure the good half of Coronation Day would start off okay at first. And maybe, who knows, maybe Elsa would actually be really happy to see Hiccup once again. And Hiccup will probably be happy to see her again. Maybe they start to catch up after, well, being away from each other for literally quite some time. And of course, most likely, the events that happened in the first movie would probably still happen, but just differently, you know? I could go into details, but that'll take way too long. And what's to say that eventually, Hiccup and Elsa eventually end up becoming a thing. And most likely, they're having a stronger bond and connection than let's say that Elsa has with Anna. Like, her bond and connection with Anna could still be strong, but nowhere near as strong as Hiccup, because Hiccup was actually trying to help, was actually been helping her throughout, well, her being separated from Anna and trying to help her to control her powers and stuff like that, blah, 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 blah. And at the end of the day, most likely, Queen Hiccup and Elsa will eventually get probably married, probably during the events of the third How to Train Your Dragon movie, and yeah, probably that. I'm sorry if I'm going a little too fast or rushing the whole thing. I just kind of want to get this video out of the way, because I got some things I need to do that I kind of forgot to do them before I started this video. So, yeah, most likely, I'm pretty sure that a lot of things would happen and drastically different, but yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and tell me in the comments below, what do you think would happen if these two characters exist in the same universe and, well, started a relationship? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't worry, folks, I know what you guys are wondering, will I ever go back on doing these type of stories again? Hiccup X Elsa? Like, will I ever do them again? Maybe in the near future I will, since I did cancel Godzilla and Hick Elsa. Maybe I will do them again. Don't take my word for it, though. That just depends. That just depends on what kind of story I have in mind. And maybe I'll find a way to squeeze those two in there. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.